Ready to turn your dreams into dollars? Join me as we explore 5 business ideas that require $0 to start. Whether you're a freelancer, social media guru, virtual assistant, consultant, or aspiring affiliate marketer, these ideas are your golden ticket to a business without breaking the bank. Ready to hustle without the hassle? Let's dive in and unleash your entrepreneurial journey. Idea 1. Freelance services. First up, we have freelancing. If you have skills in writing, graphic design, social media management, or any other service, turn that talent into cash. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer connect freelancers with clients worldwide. It's a fantastic way to build a portfolio and start earning without spending a penny. All you need is your skill and a computer. Freelancing is a fantastic way to turn your skills into a thriving business. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, programmer, or possess any other marketable skill, platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer are your gateway to a world of opportunities. Create a profile showcasing your expertise, bid on relevant projects, and start building your freelancing empire. The best part? You only invest your time and talent. Tips for success. 1. Build a strong portfolio. Showcase your best work to attract potential clients. 2. Craft a compelling profile. Highlight your skills, experience, and what makes you stand out. 3. Set realistic rates. Start with competitive but reasonable pricing to attract your first clients. 4. Deliver exceptional work. Happy clients lead to positive reviews and repeat business. Idea 2. Social media management. Are you the go-to person in your circle for social media tips? Put that expertise to use by offering social media management services. Many small businesses and individuals struggle to maintain a consistent online presence. You can create content calendars, engage with their audience, and help them grow. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter are your playgrounds, and the best part? You don't need any money to start, just your creativity and a strategic mindset. Tips for success. 1. Stay updated on trends. Social media is ever evolving. Stay ahead of the curve. 2. Create a content schedule. Plan and schedule posts to maintain consistency. 3. Engage with followers. Respond to comments and messages to foster a community. 4. Showcase your own presence. Demonstrate your social media skills by managing your profiles effectively. Idea 3. Virtual assistants. Businesses and entrepreneurs often find themselves drowning in administrative tasks. That's where you come in as a virtual assistant. Whether it's managing emails, scheduling appointments, or conducting research, your organizational skills can be a valuable asset. Platforms like TaskRabbit and Remote.co connect you with clients seeking virtual support. It's a flexible and in-demand business model that requires nothing more than your time and dedication. Tips for success. 1. Clearly define services. Outline the specific tasks you can assist with. 2. Communicate effectively. Maintain clear and prompt communication with your clients. 3. Develop time management skills. Efficiently juggle multiple tasks to maximize your productivity. 4. Build long-term relationships. A satisfied client is likely to return for more assistance. Idea 4. Consulting. If you're an expert in a particular field, consulting can be a rewarding business venture. Share your knowledge and insights to help others succeed. Whether it's business strategy, marketing, fitness, or any specialized area, your expertise is valuable. Offer one-on-one consultations, host workshops, or create online courses. Consulting is about leveraging what you already know to make a positive impact, and you can start doing that today without spending a dime. Tips for success. 1. Identify your niche. Focus on a specific area where you excel. 2. Build authority. Showcase your expertise through content, blog posts, or videos. 3. Networking is key. Connect with potential clients and collaborators in your industry. 4. Adapt and learn. Stay updated on industry trends and continuously enhance your knowledge. Idea 5. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a brilliant way to monetize your online presence without creating your own products. Sign up for affiliate programs on platforms like Amazon Associates or ShareASale. Choose products relevant to your audience, and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. Share these products through your blog, social media, or other online channels, and watch the commissions roll in. It's a business model that requires no initial investment, just your strategic promotion and audience connection. Tips for success. 1. Choose relevant products. Select products aligned with your audience's interests. 2. Create compelling content. Develop content that educates and encourages your audience to make a purchase. 3. Transparent recommendations. Be honest and transparent about your affiliate relationships. 4. Optimize your strategy. Analyze which products and strategies yield the best results, and refine your approach. And there you have it, fellow entrepreneurs. 5 incredible business ideas that demand nothing but your passion, skills, and determination. Remember, success doesn't hinge on a hefty investment but on your ability to take that first step. Whether you're freelancing, managing social media, offering virtual assistants, providing consultation, or delving into affiliate marketing, the possibilities are endless. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these business ideas resonates with your entrepreneurial spirit? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's create a community of inspired go-getters. Don't forget to like if you found these ideas valuable, and subscribe for more actionable insights on turning your dreams into reality. Your journey to financial freedom starts today. Take that leap, stay inspired, and let's conquer the business world together. Print-on-demand magic. If you're a digital artist or have a flair for design, consider leveraging print-on-demand services. These platforms allow you to create custom designs for a variety of products, from t-shirts to mugs, with no upfront costs. Spread the holiday cheer by designing merchandise that captures the festive vibe, and let the platform handle the printing and shipping. Websites like Printful and Printify can help turn your digital designs into tangible, sellable products. Tips for successful online selling. Optimize your listings. Craft detailed and engaging product listings. Use high-quality images, provide accurate descriptions, and highlight what makes your items perfect for the holiday season. Take advantage of social media. Promote your products on social media platforms to reach a broader audience. Create engaging content that showcases the holiday spirit and encourages followers to check out your online store. Offer special holiday promotions. Everyone loves a good deal during the holidays. Consider offering discounts, bundled packages, or limited-time promotions to entice shoppers. Ensure timely shipping. Communicate clearly about shipping times and ensure that orders are processed and shipped promptly. Meeting customer expectations for delivery is crucial for positive reviews and repeat business. Create a brand story. Share the story behind your products and brand. Holiday decor services. As the holiday season approaches, the demand for festive home decor skyrockets. If you have a flair for transforming spaces into winter wonderlands, offering holiday decor services could be the perfect way to sprinkle some joy into your bank account. Let's explore how you can turn your passion for holiday aesthetics into a seasonal business venture. Outdoor illumination magic. One of the most iconic aspects of holiday decor is outdoor illumination. If you have a talent for creating dazzling light displays, consider offering outdoor decoration services. Christmas tree styling. Decorating Christmas trees is an art form, and if you have a knack for selecting the perfect ornaments and arranging them in a visually stunning way, offering Christmas tree styling services can be a lucrative venture. Families and businesses often seek professionals to create a centerpiece that captures the spirit of the season. Showcase your skills through social media, local advertisements, or partnerships with tree sellers to attract clients.